If you are a victim to fear when you speak, next time when you are about to speak, I want you to resurrect your success. This is how you do it. A minute before you start speaking, don't tell everybody, hey, I'm about to resurrect my success. Don't do that. But just quietly close your eyes and go back to a moment in your life when you were successful. Maybe it was when you graduated from high school. Maybe it was when you ran track. You play a sport and you guys won the game. Whatever the case may be, go back to that moment. Relive every single detail of that experience. What you were wearing, what it was about, where you were at, how people were looking at you. Inundate your mind into that experience. What that will do is that it will generate a physiological response that is very positive inside of you. Once you do that, open your eyes and begin speaking, or raise your hand to speak, or begin delivering your message. What this will do, it will allow you to get in front of that habitual pattern that you have, which is to fall into fear. When you fall into that fear, the physiological response in your body is anxiety, faster breathing, sweaty hands, etc. You gotta get in front of that. By resurrecting your success, going back to that positive experience, you will block that fear pattern and you will be in a positive mindset, positive physiological response, and you will be more in control to speak. After that, you just gotta let go and start speaking. See you at the top where the champions belong.